Hi sweet friends, سلام دوستای نازنینم. If you're watching this video, you're probably curious or maybe even a little bit desperate to learn how to talk to a Persian girl and maybe, just maybe, convince her to go on a date with you. Now, let me tell you something very important. Persian girls are smart, emotional, classy. They don't fall for basic lines. Very important. You can just walk up and say, "Hi, you're beautiful. Can I have your number?" No. Too boring. That might work in movies, but not in Iran. I'm sorry, but that's how you get ignored, my friend, or roasted. Politely, but roasted. Here's the thing. Persian girls grow up in a culture where being charming, respectful, and witty really matters. If you want to get their attention, you need to connect, show real interest, and most importantly, make them smile. You don't have to be rich or poet, though it helps if you can, but you do have to be genuine. In today's video, I'll give you real phrases, cute lines, and even cultural tricks to start a conversation naturally, be respectful, and still be playful enough to build some romantic vibe. Ready? Let's go! سلام، حالتون چطوره؟ Hi, how are you? Simplicity wins, as everybody knows. Don't jump into compliment too fast. Just show calm, respectful energy.
سلام، حالتون چطوره؟
میتونم بپرسم اسمتون چیه؟ May I ask what your name is? When she replies, say, چه اسم قشنگی. What a beautiful name. Persians love kind words, especially poetic ones. And قشنگ is soft and sweet. میتونم بیشتر بشناسمتون؟ Can I get to know you more? Polite, soft, not aggressive, very Persian. شما خیلی باوقارین. You're very graceful, classy. This word باوقار is deeper than just pretty. It shows appreciation of behavior, not just looks. Persian girls notice that.
باوقار.
واقعا حرف زدن باهات لذت بخشه. Talking to you is truly enjoyable. Cultural note. In Persian flirting, it's all about the feeling, not just compliments. Words like لذت, enjoy, and واقعا, truly or really give it soul. فقط یه سوال. چطور این همه جذاب شدی؟ Just one question. How did you become this attractive, flirty, but fun? Perfect if she's already laughing. تو باعث شدی فارسی حرف زدن رو دوست داشته باشم. You made me love speaking Persian. Smooth, sweet, and shows effort. تو با لبخندت روزمو ساختی. You made my day with your smile. This shows gratitude and warmth. Persians love appreciation wrapped in poetry. یه چیزی تو نگات هست که آرومم میکنه. There's something in your eyes that calms me. Very romantic. Use it if she's open to deep conversation. کاش زودتر باهات آشنا میشدم. I wish I had met you earlier. A mix of sweetness and sincerity. فقط یه لبخند ازت کم داشتم امروز. The only thing missing from my day was your smile. Very flirty, but still respectful. تو باعث شدی فارسی یاد گرفتن برام قشنگ‌تر بشه. You made learning Persian even more beautiful for me. Clever and genuine. هرچی با هم صحبت میکنیم بیشتر دوستم زبان تو یاد بگیرم. The more we talk, the more I want to learn your language. Deepens the connection. تو واقعا مثل شعر فارسی هستی. You're truly like a Persian poetry. Very flattering but intelligent. Compare her to something poetic, not materialistic. تو باعث شدی کلمات فارسی معنی پیدا کنن. You made Persian words come to life. Romantic and great if you're already learning the language. فکر نمی‌کردم یاد گرفتن فارسی انقدر جالب باشه. I didn't think learning Persian would be this fun. Shows excitement and complements the culture. دوست دارم بیشتر باهات آشنا بشم. میتونم شماره‌تو داشته باشم؟ I'd love to get to know you better. Can I have your number? Sounds formal and emotionally sincere. تو خیلی جالبی. حیف این گفتگو همینجا تموم شد. You're really interesting. It's a shame this conversation should end here. اگه یه وقت خواستی فارسی آموزش بدی من هستم. If you ever want to teach Persian, I'm totally in. Cute excuse to stay in touch. یه قهوه دیگه با هم. قول میدم این دفعه فقط فارسی حرف بزنم. Another coffee together. I promise to only speak Persian this time. Funny and sneaky way to meet again. راستی توی اینستاگرام هستی؟ میتونم فالوت کنم؟ By the way, are you on Instagram? Can I follow you? Modern and non-threatening. میشه بازم با هم حرف بزنیم؟ البته اگه دلت خواست پیام بده. Can we chat again sometime? If you feel like it, drop a message. Leaves it up to her. Make you look confident, not needy. Okay, now let's play a scene together. You're at a friend's Nowruz dinner and you've just been introduced to a Persian girl named Sahar. Everyone's drinking and chatting. You sit next to her and start a conversation. Ready? Let's go! سلام، اسم من نوکه. فارسی خیلی کم بلدم ولی دارم یاد میگیرم. چه خوب، تا حالا که خیلی خوب صحبت کردیم. راستش فارسی برای من خیلی قشنگه. انگار هر کلمه برام یه حس خاص داره. جدی؟ کدوم کلمه بیشتر دوست داری؟ مثلا قربونت برم یا جون دلم نمیتونم چرا به دلم میشینه. تو داری عاشق زبان فارسی میشی یا؟ شاید هم عاشق فارسی زبان ها. شوخی کردم ولی آدمای ایرانی خیلی مهمون نوازن و مهربونن. So there you go. Now you've got a charming little toolbox for talking to a Persian girl the respectful way with some style, poetry and fun. Remember, it's not just about flirting, it's about connection. And if she says, damn it, Gam, you're doing a great job. Persian culture loves poetry, humor, and sincerity. So go practice these lines. Maybe you'll learn love and the language at the same time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And tell me if you've tried one of these phrases and survived to tell the story. تا روزای بعد خداحافظ.